Welcome to your Florida barn dominium. This is a brand new construction home. Hopefully you noticed that beautiful tongue and groove ceiling on the entryway, that expansive country front porch. We are in the country. We're on the nature coast of Florida. This is Dunnellon, Florida. This is a very quiet, peaceful area. I have the slider open in the screen door so you can just soak in and hopefully hear the sounds of nature and birds. That's all you hear in this location. So it's really a beautiful place to live. This house is newly constructed, ready to go for you. It's on an acre of land. I'm sure you noticed when you came in that the whole property, the acre, is fenced in and there is a gated entrance. But this is new construction. We've got this beautiful open concept. Look at this huge island and tons of bar seating around the island. So this kitchen is incredibly functional. We've got the nice wood cabinets. You've got the accent dark blue to the gray color. These are soft close cabinet doors and drawers. These are well-made cabinets. They've got the dovetail wood connections for the sides and the fronts of the cabinets, and the full appliance set. Beautiful deep sink here overlooking that lovely yard. Now this house is ready for you to put your touches to it. So you're going to landscape the yard. You might build a detached garage. There's things that you probably want to do, but the house is ready for you to move in as you make those decisions and decide what life in Florida is going to look like for you. I love how they did this kitchen with the gas stove, the hood vent there, and then we've got the microwave tucked down in its own little cabinet. That's a really, really nice design. Dishwasher, beautiful side-by-side and drawer refrigerator. So brand new appliances, of course. Everything in a brand new home comes with the warranties and peace of mind that it's all new. Now notice here we've got bullnose corners. You don't have sharp edges on the corners of your walls. This is the guest end of the house or side of the house, and big windows in every room. Nice built-in closets. Beautiful LVP flooring, and it has that country wood grain look and feel. It's just lovely, but it's a light color, so you can do so much with this flooring as far as any colors that you want to use. It's very, very versatile and very durable. That's what's really nice about this type of flooring. We've got some attic access there. And then I do want to point out with these double pane, very energy efficient windows, they are also tilt. So you see the little buttons on the side. So when you go to wash them, you can clean the inside of the bottom pane and the outside of the bottom pane without going outside. Already wired for all of your TV and entertainment needs, so that wires up, the plug is up high, so you're not having wires and cords hanging around. And then there's switches in every room for adding a light and a fan if you would like, and those can be on light switches. These bathrooms, there's 2 full bathrooms in this house, and you're going to notice they're both done with this beautiful, beautiful marble tile, and the marble all the way up to the ceiling. The vanity mirrors are those no fog warming mirrors, and just classic modern finishes. The hanging vanities so they don't touch the floor. Really, really nice touches in this house. So that's the guest side. We'll go back through here. I want to show you first, there's an extra little bonus room here on this side of the house, and this would serve beautifully as an office. It could be additional storage if you don't need an office, or many different functions, but this is a very nice little space that you can do a lot with, and this is a bonus extra room in addition to the 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So let's go ahead and look at the owner's suite, the primary bedroom. So very spacious, lots of space to decide where you want to put your bed. We've got a ensuite bathroom, of course, as well. And this again is that gorgeous marble tile and 2 sinks. Same thing with these no fog mirrors, beautiful lighting. And then look at this shower. This is a magnificent shower. Rain head above, and then you've got another shower head there. So you're really getting an immersive spa type of shower experience. And again, with the marble all the way up to the ceilings. This is your water closet. So lots of privacy when you're on the stool. And then this is the 2 closets for the primary suite. So lots of space. Again, it's ready for you to put your closet system of your choice in. So depending on what your needs are, shoe racks and cabinets and different things, you're gonna have a lot of options and you're gonna customize it to exactly what you want. Also this barn door, if you didn't notice it, a nice touch. So that's your closet door there. Now, we'll go to the utilitarian rooms in the house. So off of the kitchen, we have an amazing butler pantry. Look at all this granite countertop space and additional cabinets. So there's no lack of cabinets. You cannot feel like you don't have enough storage between this kitchen and this pantry. Now, again, you probably want to add more shelving on this side of the pantry. This is a great place as well with the electrical to add things like security system. If you want to have security monitoring, you could have your screens in here. Certainly some of your kitchen equipment that you don't use as often, like your mixers and different things like that, coffee makers, whatever things you don't want out in the kitchen, you have plenty of space here for it. So, and this of course is right off of the laundry room, which also has an exterior side door. So great laundry room, utility area, little laundry tub there, new washer and dryer. So a lot of times with new construction, you're not getting the washer and dryer. This house comes with the washer and dryer, of course the water heater there, and some more cabinet space for storage. So again, we are not lacking in storage. So this is a side entrance, and the nice thing about this is if you did decide to add a detached garage later on, you would put it over here, and when you come in, or if you're just parking there, even a parking pad, when you come in with your groceries, you're right here coming through the laundry, you have a place to set things down, and you can pop right into the kitchen then. It's very convenient. So we're gonna just step out the back now because I just want to give you a little feel for the amount of space in the back, and also so you can see what we have back here. So right off the bat, we have a beautiful patio. This is a nice big patio, so plenty of space for putting the grill. You could add a cover and screen this in if you wanted to. There's a large propane tank that's going to service that propane stove. And then we've got the well tank over there and pump. So a couple of pieces of equipment back here, and then a lot of space. You can't hardly see the fence back there since this is an acre lot, but a lot of space back there. Make some gardens. This is not a restricted area. There's no deed restrictions, so you can have chickens. You can do what you like on this acre of land. So really think about, what might this lifestyle be like for you? But what a beautiful home. The wood siding, obviously it's metal siding, metal roof, gives you a lot of longevity as well. And locationally, we are very close to a lot of amenities. So this is Dunnellon. It is Marion County. So you have a quick commute to get into Ocala if you want to enjoy attractions in Ocala. There's a big equestrian scene, as well as a lot of shopping, entertainment, dining, all kinds of great things. So you get to live in this rural setting, but have access to some great amenities. It's very easy to get to Tampa, in Orlando for attractions. We're really in a great central location here so that you can enjoy, especially when people come to visit, you want to take them to see all the fun stuff in Florida. Very easy to do. And this community has access to a couple of lakes that the community was built around. So we're very close to, I believe it's Lake Bonneville, and you can go to the community park and do some fun activities around the lake. So great location, but especially an amazing house. You're not going to find one like this. This was custom built, and it's ready for you to make it your own home. So if this looks like what you're thinking you would want, I welcome you to reach out to my team. I'm Ruth Squires, and we are with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. So give us a call at 352-794-1426. We'd love to show you this home.